Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. Using a T20 Torx screwdriver, remove the two exterior screws holding the light. Extract the light block, pulling it towards you. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble the whole thing, carefully put the connector board in place, then push down so that the tabs clip it in. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.